So here we're looking at a Luminette SoftTrack headrail here. Things to understand about this headrail is there's a cord that goes down through the headrail here, and if I tilt my tilt rod back here, you can see it's one single cord, but it goes two directions. It goes down around to the end of the shading here, loops back around and goes to the lead carrier. Both of these tie off to the lead carrier over here at this point in the shading here. Both of these cords tie off at that point there. Something to know about this cord is my mounting bracket feature here snaps into this groove in the back of the headrail. Something that's very common, however, it just seems to happen in shipping, or I don't really know how it happens, but this cord fits right into that groove. Something that's very common for me is to go up to the window opening and attach it into the mounting bracket and attach that mounting bracket into place. This feature of the mounting bracket here squeezes down right on that cord. That's going to stop my shade from moving. So something I want to check for before I mount my headrail is making sure that cord is out of the groove. And again, I might take a millwright scribe, something like that, and just go ahead and work that cord right out of that groove. Get it back into the center of the track there, so I can go ahead and operate that shading there. Something to watch out for on your Luminette SoftTrack shading.